Hey everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to all the new members, and thank you, Twisted Gypsy. You're the bomb. Yes, I have on my glasses, I don't have on my much makeup, and I don't have my hair really done. Because it's hot outside. Tomorrow I get to start working in the yard, so I'm excited about that, but I'm gonna cook a healthy dinner. I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do. I'm having to use an old tripod that I had to rig up a light on. Well, I have a light rigged on the other one too, but this one's heavier and it's bulkier. I don't know. Anyway, y'all tell me if y'all in the comments if y'all want me to do a live one night. I will be more than happy to do a live. And then that way, you know, we can do what we gotta do. But anyway, when I turn y'all around, if y'all see the sink, dishes in the sink, don't worry about it. I live here. You know, everybody has to have their house just perfect. You know what? I live in my house. You can tell I live in my house. Yes, I clean it, but I live in my house. And I'm not gonna sit here and fabricate that I'm somebody else that I'm not. No. People on some of these channels, they clean and they have to have everything perfect. I used to be like that. I missed my kids growing up, and now my youngest son is now gone on to heaven, and I don't have any more time with him. I should have spent time when they were little. So enjoy your kids. Let the cobwebs go. You can get those another day. You can get them when they take a nap. But anyway, let's get down to this video. Okay, what we're going to start off with is pork chops. I cut my pork chops up from a pork loin. Now we're going to go over here. I'm going to take y'all with me. We're going to do radishes, sweet bell peppers. I've got onion powder, ranch, and salt, green beans, and garlic powder. So that's what we're going to do here. And I'm going to try to put y'all up above me so y'all can see. But I got to get some new equipment, or fire my girl, my video tech, because she's breaking everything. I need to get some new stuff. Okay, we got the light plugged in. Let's see. We got light. Now I got to find my phone cord. I'll be right back. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut our radishes up. We're going to quarter them. And then we're just going to throw them in a pan. And we're going to do the same with the bell peppers. And we're going to cut the green beans in half. Remember to spray your pan before you do this. This is a recipe that I just got up out of my head. I didn't, I didn't read this from a recipe. It's something that I just threw together. So anyway. And we're going to bake this on, you're going to set your oven at 350. Yeah. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so what I did is I quartered up my radishes. I guess I said that before. I'm going to slice my mini bell peppers and put them in my pan. Then I will do the same with the green beans. Once I get all of this sliced, I'm going to add some olive oil. And I don't add a lot, maybe probably about 2 tablespoons to the pan. And then I'm going to season it with garlic, onion salt, and you do that to your taste. And then I put the powdered ranch dressing on top of it, and I use the Great Value. You don't have to use the Hidden Valley, the name brand stuff. You know what? I'm simple. I'm cheap. That's what I'm going to use. So anyway, and then you bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. You cover it, and you bake it at 350 for 30 minutes, and then you take it out and bake it for another 30 minutes so it kind of roasts up. That's what you call roasted vegetables. So anyway. And if you've never tried roasted radishes, you're missing out. This is the only way I will eat the radishes, is with the powdered dressing on top of it, and you would be amazed. I don't know how much video that y'all lost on that one. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I did the dishes. Yeah. They're in the dishwasher. Some people don't clean. And they say they do the dishes. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, they do this dishes. Okay, so you can't see what I'm doing to the side, but what I'm doing is I'm hammering, or I'm beating on the pork chops to kind of thin them out to where they're kind of a little bit more tender. And then I was putting the seasoning, the ranch packet seasoning on top of that, and then I was frying them, and I put salt, and I put garlic, and I put onion powder on them also. Now I do check the temperature on the pork chops, and they're normally supposed to be 170 to 175. And also you can take a knife and cut into them to see if they're pink, but you need to have pork done because it can give you some kind of a, like salmonella poisoning or whatever it is. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, it can do that to you.
The
hope y'all enjoyed that. It's a healthy dinner tonight. Yay! Anyway, so y'all hope y'all try it, and we'll talk to you later. See you, bye.